Many years ago, I cracked the code about getting rich, and it's not what you think. You think getting rich means torturing yourself at 4 a.m., ice baths, extreme living? Wrong. The secret to wealth? 17 tiny habits. Micro habits that seem insignificant, but compound into massive financial power. I'm about to blow your mind. I'm Professor Chalkman, and I don't do fluff. I teach real wealth-building strategies that actually work. Zero filters, zero excuses, pure execution. Before we dive in, subscribe right now, because after this video, you'll want every single lesson I teach. Don't wait. Hit that button now. Habit number 1, the 1% rule that changes everything. Listen up. This crushes the go big or go home lie. Just improve your money situation by 1% every month. That's it. Sounds too easy? You're wrong. But it's just save a little more, spend a little less, earn a little more. These tiny changes add up to huge results. While everyone else burns out trying to change everything at once, you're building steady progress. Most people fail because they want instant transformation. Winners? They succeed through daily consistency. 1% doesn't sound like much, but it's absolutely powerful when you stick with it. Check your progress every month. Small steps create big wealth. Habit number 2. Cut out the wrong people. Here's the hard truth. You become like the 5 people you spend most time with. If your friends constantly complain, gossip, put others down, you're picking up that negative thinking. And negative thinking leads to broke results. Want to predict someone's future? Look at their problems. Poor people complain about drama. Rich people solve real challenges. But Professor, I can't find successful people. Then build your circle online. Books, podcasts, YouTube channels. The internet makes it easy to learn from winners. Remove the negative influences. Your bank account depends on it. Habit number 3, keep a win list. Every success, every milestone, every fear you beat, write it down. I call it my win list, and it's pure confidence fuel. Remember your first job interview? Scary as hell, right? But you did it. Remember starting that side project? Terrifying. But you survived. Life has ups and downs. On bad days, this list reminds you, I've won before. I can win again. I keep mine on my phone. Easy to check when doubt hits. Start yours today, because confidence isn't magic. It's built from proof of what you've already accomplished. If this is hitting different than other finance videos, smash that like button. It tells me you're ready for more hard truths. Habit number 4, activate abundance mindset. I used to think gratitude was weakness, until I discovered the science. Your brain is a seeking missile. It finds whatever you focus on. Focus on problems, you'll find more problems. Focus on wins, you'll attract more wins. Every evening at 8 p.m., I document 3 victories. Perfect coffee, supportive message, crushing a workout. Simple? Yes. Life-changing? Absolutely. Set a 5-minute reminder tonight. Write one thing that went right today. Watch your mindset shift from scarcity to abundance. Grateful minds make profitable decisions. That's not opinion. That's fact. Habit number 5, set up automatic savings. Warren Buffett said, don't save what's left after spending, spend what's left after saving. I took it further. Spend what's left after saving and investing. Automation removes temptation. Every month, money automatically moves into savings and investments before you can spend it. 2 huge benefits. First, you build wealth without thinking about it. Second, you can't waste money that's already gone. Set up automatic transfers today. Your future rich self will thank you. Habit number 6, get specific with your goals. Vague goals create vague bank accounts. I want to save more money is weak. Here's what works. I will save $30,000 for a house down payment by December 2027. Specific goals become action plans. $30,000 in 3 years? That's $833 every month. Now you have a clear target. Turn big dreams into daily tasks. Suddenly, impossible becomes doable. Write down one specific money goal right now. Make it crystal clear. Habit number 7, create more than you consume. Here's a reality check. Rich people create more than they consume. Research proves it. 67% of wealthy people watch TV 1 hour or less daily. Meanwhile, 77% of broke people, they're glued to screens for hours. Stop being a couch potato. When you create something, anything, you learn skills, gain knowledge, build experience. Just watching TV? It makes you lazy and keeps you broke. Start with 15 minutes daily. Write that blog. Start that YouTube channel you've been thinking about for years. Learn to code. Learn a new hobby. Build something. Check yourself weekly. Am I creating more than I'm consuming? If not, you're going backwards. Creating builds wealth. Consuming destroys it. Choose wisely. Habit number 8. Learn about money every week. Some wise man once said, the more you learn, the more you earn. 1 hour weekly. That's your investment in getting smarter about money. This week, one of my students was studying how our childhood affects our money habits. Really eye-opening stuff. Every money fact you learn opens new doors. Better investment apps, how to negotiate better deals, smart tax tricks. Block out 1 hour this week. The more you know, the more you can grow your wealth. Habit number 9. Take action, even when you're scared. Perfect timing doesn't exist. You'll never feel completely ready. When good ideas hit, I don't wait, I act. Sometimes I win big, sometimes I fail hard. Both teach valuable lessons. Trust your gut. Take the first step. Waiting for perfection is just an excuse. Ready is a myth. Action is everything. Turn on notifications for this channel because these wealth-building lessons drop regularly and you don't want to miss them. Habit number 10. Learn to say no. Saying yes to everything means saying no to your money goals. Psychologists call it the yes trap. We feel like we have to say yes to every request, invitation, opportunity. Result? Burnout, stress, no money left. The solution? Get clear on your financial goals. When new requests come up, ask, does this help me make money or does it waste my time? If it doesn't help your wallet, the answer is no. Your time is your most valuable thing. Protect it like your life depends on it. Habit number 11. Stop caring what others think. Here's the freedom trick. Ask yourself, in building my wealth, does this person's opinion actually matter? If the answer is not really, ignore them completely. Other people's opinions are their problem, not yours. When you stop caring what others think, you start taking bigger risks. Bigger risks make bigger money. Focus on your goals, your dreams, your bank account. Everyone else? They're just noise while you get rich. Habit number 12. Build multiple income sources. Most millionaires have multiple ways to make money. One reason. If one source stops, others keep you afloat. My money comes from a job, my investments, side hustles, YouTube revenue, sponsorships, affiliate commissions, products. Start with one extra income source. Get really good at it. Make it run itself. Then add another. Don't try building 5 income streams at once. You'll fail at all of them. Look at your skills right now. How can you make money from them? That's your next paycheck. Habit number 13. Invest in yourself first. The best investment isn't stocks, real estate, or crypto. It's you. Investing in yourself pays back more than any other investment. Education, health, skills, mental strength. Every dollar spent improving yourself comes back multiplied over time. Read books, take courses, get coaching. The better you get, the more money you can make. Bet on yourself. You're the safest bet you'll ever make. Habit number 14. Network with purpose. I know someone who made $10 million in 1 year through smart networking. He reached out to 50+ people every month. Not random people. Specific people who could create real opportunities. Networking isn't about what you can get. It's about what you can give first. Before reaching out, ask, how can I help this person succeed? When you help others first, you build real relationships. Real relationships create real wealth. Habit number 15. Stop making so many decisions. Steve Jobs wore the same clothes every day. Mark Zuckerberg, too. Why? Making decisions all day is exhausting. Every small choice uses up brain power you need for important money decisions. I wear the same work clothes. Saves time, money, and mental energy. What small decisions can you eliminate? Automate the little stuff. Save your brain power for choices that actually matter. Habit number 16. Start money conversations. Research shows 45% of Americans never talk about money with family or friends, but 66% believe money conversations are key to getting rich. Start talking about money today. Not to compare, to learn. Ask, I've been working on my budget. What works for you? Share your strategies. Learn theirs. Money talks lead to money results. Stop treating money like it's taboo. Rich people talk about money all the time. Habit number 17. Use the 3-bucket method. Every month, I put expenses into 3 groups. One is needs, funding only my essential stuff. The second is wants, which funds my fun lifestyle stuff. And the third is for growth, funds which builds my future wealth. This isn't about being cheap, it's about being smart. When you know where every dollar goes, you make better decisions. I track everything in real time. It's like having a money GPS for every purchase. Budgeting isn't punishment, it's power. Knowing gives you confidence. Start tracking today. Knowledge equals money control. Which habit hit you hardest? Comment below. And don't give me some generic response. I want specifics. Now here's your homework. Pick 3 habits from this list. Write them down. Start implementing them this week. Then comment below, day 1 complete, and tell me which 3 you chose. No excuses, I'm watching. These 17 habits separated me from broke thinking and broke results. They'll do the same for you, but only if you act. This is Professor Chalkman signing off, and remember to keep getting wealthy.